Hey everybody. Yeah. It's a true story. This really happened. Yeah. Yeah. I knew he'd be dead with all that shit he said about that motherfucking book that he read. I told him not to go outside. I told him that we'd find a ride, and all he says to me is, fuck you, I read the guide. Fuck you, I read the guide. Yeah. Fuck you, I read the guide was the last thing he said right before he felt the burn of someone's teeth in his legs. Bit through his jeans, the boy screamed, his legs snapped. He fell to the ground, he felt the impact when he saw who it was who had his leg trapped. It was none other than his very own mother, who he hadn't seen in days, a face now decayed, and the pain comes in waves as he runs towards that shed, still trying to comprehend that his mother is undead. Oh shit, his mother is undead. Ain't that a bitch? Yeah. His mother is undead as he hides in that shed. The neighbor boy who didn't give a fuck to what I said, and now his mother was his own demise. He wishes that he stayed inside, and all he thinks is fuck me. This wasn't in the guide. This was not in the guide. No way. This wasn't in the guide, however he recollected the part about what has to happen once you're infected. I knew what was coming next, so I grabbed my 44, loaded up on ammo and got to the second floor. Took a look around the yard so that I could know the score. More and more on the way, and it looks like we got a horde. A horde? Oh shit. They were attracted by all the commotion, like sharks to blood in the ocean, like we got some kind of potion. In the dull moan in the distance, turns to a scream in an instant when the door to the shed shake, cracks and falls, and instead of a mother and a son, we got two more undead. Just two more undead. Just two more fucking zombies to kill. Yeah. I raised my rifle, waiting for the perfect shot. Not about to waste my ammo, 50 rounds is all I got. The two stumbled around the ground wet from the rain. Once they got their bearings towards the houses where they came, I took aim and waited for the perfect time. The second that their heads aligned with one single shot from the barrel of my gun. Two heads undead, first the mother, then the son. That's right. Boom, headshot. I knew they'd be dead. I knew they'd be dead. I knew they'd be dead. Their brains mixed with lead. The neighbor boy who didn't give a fuck to what I said, and his mother was his own demise. He wishes that he stayed inside, and I ask you, what good is the guide? What good is that thing? It's just a story. It ain't gonna save you in a zombie apocalypse. Read up, motherfuckers. Yeah. Let the beat ride out. Oh. It's a pile of dead ninjas. Just a Fish production. Doc Ellis, Jesse Chainsaw, bringing you that quality shit every day, all day. 2011, copyright, patent pending. Yeah.